Hello everyone, I Dr. Astha Parikh, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Welcome you all on the behalf of Guru KPO. Here my video lecture on that topic, and my topic is differences between lanthanides and actinides. Okay, now lanthanides and actinides, some points are here which will I discuss here in detail. Okay. Now, in spite of some points of similarities between these two series, that is lanthanides and actinides, there are some differences. Which are shown here just because of nature of 4F and 5F energy level. Okay. Now, first point is difference is their chemistry. In lanthanides 4F and 5D series, there is large gap between 4F and 5D series, so their chemistry is fairly similar. Okay, now vice versa occur in actinides. In the case of actinides, there is small gap between 5F and 6D series. Okay, now these compounds and molecules have considerable variability, right? Now second point is bonding energies. Bonding energies where in 4F is very high. Okay. Now in actinides we have seen the bonding energy in 5F is very low. Right. Now next point is oxidation state. Oxidation state in lanthanides is maximum, that is 4F plus 4 plus 5 and etc. Here cerium in lanthanides cerium have plus 4 oxidation state. But now in case of actinides have different maximum oxidation state, that is plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7 and etc. In uranium hexafluoride, uranium oxidation state is plus 6. In case of another compound we have seen here, uranium dioxide dichloride is plus 6 also. Now next point is 4F electrons have greater shielding effect. In lanthanides we have seen greater shielding effects in 4F electrons, but in case of actinides we have seen poor shielding electrons in their molecules, or you can say atoms. Now next point is these elements show paramagnetic in nature, but their paramagnetic nature is easily explained. But in case of actinides we can see here their magnetic properties can be explained in different manner, or you can say difficult. Okay. Now next point is they do not form complexes. Lanthanide series molecules they do not form complexes, but we can see in actinides there are most widely formed complexes of present in nature, you can say earth is actinide series. Okay. Now next point is they do not form oxocations, but in case of actinides they mostly form oxocations. So examples of oxocations are uranium dioxide, uranium oxide, neptunium trioxide and plutonium oxide. Okay. And lanthanides elements are less basic, but in actinides elements we have seen these atoms molecules are more basic in nature. Now friends, these all abouts are differences between lanthanides and actinides. Thank you and thank you for listening and watching this video. For the more detail, please log on www.gurukpo.com.